Question 6, the first thing you think is, whoa, what a lot of reading. But it's basically we've got two sequences questions. One's going to be an arithmetic sequence, one's a geometric, and we're going to try and look at what we get between them. So it says we're going to start at 2,600 batteries, and it says that in year 10, so U10 is going to be 12,000. And in Model A, they'd say they're going to increase by the same number of each time. So we're going to add, so it's an arithmetic one. So to get to the 10th one, then that's 9 differences. So A plus 9 differences is 12,000. So take away the 2,600 and divide by 9, and that tells you that the difference here is going to be 1044, and I think that's 4/9, so 1044.444. And the question says, how many will they make in year 2? So U2 would be 2,600 plus that, which is 3,644 and 4/9 if you want to. So it's just using the arithmetic sequence ideas. But for part B, we've got exactly the same data, but this time it's going to be, instead of adding 9 times, this time we're going to multiply 9 times. And so we've got 1,200 here. So this time we're dividing by 2,600 and then taking the 9th root of that answer there. So the 9th root of 60 over 13 gives me that R is 1.1852. And that tells you now that the second one is, as it was 2,600 times by 1.1852, and that gives us 3,081.6. That one there says rounded to the nearest 10 batteries, doesn't it? So I'm going to round that one to 3,080. I think while I'm thinking about rounding, I think I'm going to put that one as 3644. Can't make 4/9 of a battery really, can you? So for part C, it now doesn't want to know what's in the first or the second or the 10th year. For part C, we're looking out for the grand total. So what is the total number of batteries there? So we've using our formula book now. Our formula book gives us Sn. The sum, and we want S10. And the first one is, it's n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. N over 2, so we got 10 over 2, which is 5. 2 lots of the first one plus 9 times the difference. The difference here was 1044 and 4/9. And if you tap that all into your calculator there, that turns out to be 73,000 for the arithmetic progression one. Now we'll try and do the geometric progression one. So the geometric progression formula is a r to the n minus 1 all over 1 minus r. Throw in the values 2600 there, and the r value here is what we had here, 1.1852. Be quite accurate as you put that in there. And that total turns out to be 62749. That's the two totals. The question asks for the difference between them, so take one away from the other and we get 10, it's very close, 10250, so rounding that to the nearest 100 is 10,300 is the difference.